the Metal Militia Man, riding the thumper. Friends, it's easy. The more noise you make, the higher these guys jump and the bigger tricks they throw out. Jimmy Hill coming at you. Live and in on a Thursday night. Do you want to see him go bigger? Jimmy Hill! No good at running, man. Woo! Make some noise for Luke Bowling! Jimmy Hill! Can in here! Execution man! Compliments to Luke Bowling! Jimmy Hill wants to throw something big out for you! Superman Seacraft in the air. Luke Dolan going to be leading the charge. Folsom, you're used to seeing people go big. How about two riders in the air? And one time with the little Nico Hawk and the cliffhanger. Who wants to see two riders in the air at the same time throwing out the silver switch? It might not be Jack Daniels, but sometimes you get a little Captain Morgan in you. To see a backflip. If you want to see a backflip, stand up on your feet and show these two superstars. We're going to send both of them in the air at the same time. Luke Dolan leading the way. Jimmy Hill giving you what you want. Both of these riders just recently returned from China. talking it over. Watch this one. That's a backflip without some fireworks. Friends, you will have the opportunity to meet both of these superstars. They will be signing autographs up top after the fireworks, and the fireworks are going to be taking place right now with the lights out.